To install the 18mm PBI anchor, you'll first need to drill and clean an 18mm hole. Remember to never drill deeper than 80% of the panel thickness. Drive the PBI anchor with a hammer until the base of the head is firmly seated against the fixture. The 18mm PBI anchor requires setting with a torque wrench and 18mm socket to 80 Nm of torque in order to function at its peak performance. Installation of the 20mm PBI anchor requires drilling and cleaning a 20mm hole. The 20mm PBI anchor requires setting with a torque wrench and 21mm socket to 120 Nm of torque in order to function at its published performance. The bolt sleeve and washer can be removed as no longer required.